Whenever you want.
Whenever you go now.
Go scare them.
You gonna scare the pigeons, Ryder? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You gonna go?
Look, come on, we're gonna walk now. You're not gonna go. Scare them. Go, ah. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it then.
Go with Uncle Jay. He's gonna scare him.
Come on.
Uncle Jay, he's gonna go scare him.
Come on, Ryder.
Go with Uncle Jay. Come on.
Let's do it.
No!
Go, you have to go in there.
No!
Go some more. There's more over there.
No! No!
How about those? How about those? Go. You have to run after them. You have to run. Go, Ryder. Got him? Cool. Come on, buddy. Come on, Ryan.